Okay, here's the unit. It's currently on number 2, which is the cooling cycle. Been on for a few seconds. Now, I don't feel hot or cold here, but just slightly warming up, which is, might just be the compressor working. So I think it's out of gas. If you have a look here, probably needs a flashlight. This is what the condenser coils look like. Well, if you think that that's where we're going to find the leak, and if you think it'll be repairable. Otherwise, I don't know if you can. I guess you'll have to come and see what you think. The heat exchanger is down here inside all this foam. I think I'm going to take that out. So that's it. Here's where you did the work, and the filter and dryer. Here's the switch, so heating and cooling. It's electrically operated. You see the cool side goes through the bottom. The fan is operating, and that's all you can see from here. So.